Welcome back everyone! If you just joined us, this is a video part 2 where we make a crochet table decor for utensils. In the previous video, which was part 1, we made this crochet carrot with this pocket for utensils. You can put the forks, spoons, knives there and decorate your table for Easter. And today, as promised, we will quickly make this beautiful, colorful Easter egg. In terms of materials, same like with the carrot, you just will need regular acrylic yarn, weight 4, nice colorful yarn leftovers. You will need just a little bit. Crochet hook, I use a 4mm hook, yarn needle just at the end to hide all the ends, and if you like, a stitch marker. The egg is done the same way as the carrot. We will make a backing first, then we'll make a front, and then we'll just stitch them together so you can put your utensils in here. Let's go! Okay, so let's begin by chaining 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's your chain 7. And then, as usual, to the second chain from the hook, 1 single crochet, then next stitch 1 single crochet, that's 2, 1 single crochet to the next stitch, that's 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? So we chained 7, but we went to the second chain from the hook, so we had 6 stitches. So now we have 6 stitches here. Chain 1, turn. Now we have to make 2 increases to go from 6 to 8. So we will make an increase here, 1 and 2. And if you're a beginner, just a reminder, increase simply means that you have to put 2 single crochet in the same spot, so it sort of doubles it for the next row. So we made an increase. Now we will have 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and then you have 1 stitch left, so we'll make increase there as well, which means we will put 2 there. 1 and 2. Okay, so we have 8 stitches now. Chain 1, turn. Now we have to make increases again. So same thing. We'll start with increase. So we'll put 1 and 2 here to the same stitch. Then just 1 to each. 1 here, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you have 1 stitch left. So you will make an increase there. So 2 and do this one. 1 and to the same spot, 2. So now we have 10 stitches here. Chain 1, turn. Now we'll make no changes. So 1 to each. We'll have to make 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. Chain 1, turn. Now we have to increase to 12. So again, increase here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you have 1 stitch left. We'll make increase here. So 1 and second one to the same stitch. So now we have 12. Chain 1, turn, and no changes in this row, just 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Chain 1, turn. Okay, now increases again, same way, so increase here. Now just chain 1 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then to the last stitch, 1 and 2. So now we have 14 stitches here. Chain 1, turn. Just 14 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now you have 1 stitch left. So if you're making an egg just one color, then you don't have to do anything here. You just make the 14th stitch here and continue. If you want to make stripes, I'll show you how to change your color, because the next row you want to be different color. Okay, so to change color, see, you have this last 14th stitch left. So you started as usual. See, you have 2 loops on your hook. Now normally you would just grab yarn here, do yarn over and pull it through both loops, and you would finish the stitch. But what you're gonna do when you change in color, instead of pulling this yarn through, you're gonna pull new yarn through. So place yarn like so and pull it through both to finish the stitch. Now you have to hold it tightly here so that your ends don't get loose. Just pinch it with your fingers. Chain 1, turn, and again, no changes, nothing. 14 single crochets here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you have 13 stitches here, and now instead of finishing with the pink one, I'm just gonna drop the pink one, grab the purple one again, and pull the purple one through both pink loops. And that will help you to do a next row in purple again. So we're gonna chain 1, turn, 1, 14. Now same thing, you're gonna drop purple, now you're gonna grab pink, pull it through both loops, chain 1, turn. Now 14 in pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 loops on the hook, drop pink one, take purple one, pull through, chain 1, turn, and again 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Again, drop purple one, take pink, pull pink through, chain 1, turn, and 14. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Drop pink, take purple, pull through, chain 1, turn, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, so now we have 3 stripes. I don't want any more stripes, so and I am done with the pink thread. So I'm just gonna cut it, and I can cut it really short because I crocheted in the previous row all the way in, right? So if you do it differently, just make sure that when you cut it, that it's secure. If you have to leave a longer end to hide it, chain one, and we will make another row in purple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Perfect. So if you're making a front piece, this is where you will stop. This is going to be your front piece. But if it's your back piece, then we have to keep going. So let's say this is our back. So let's continue. We'll chain one, turn, and now instead of 14 we have to make 12. So we will start decreasing. And to decrease, we will insert our hook as usual, pull. Now we have 2 loops on the hook, and instead of finishing our stitch, we're gonna go to the next stitch and gonna do exactly the same thing and pull it, so that we have 3 loops on a hook. And then we will do yarn over and pull through. That's it. So we made a decrease. Then we'll just go 1 to each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then at the end you will have 2 stitches left, which you also have to decrease into 1. So pull yarn here, you have 2 loops on the hook. Next one, insert your hook, pull the yarn, so you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 at once. That was your decrease. So now if you count it, instead of 14 stitches, we have 12 here. So we'll chain 1, turn, and next row we'll make no changes, just 12 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Chain 1, turn. Okay, next row, again have to make decreases. So same idea, pull, so you have 2 loops on your hook, 3 loops on your hook, and decrease. Now 1 to each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you have 2 stitches left here. So we will decrease them into 1. 3 and 1. So now if you count, you will have 10 stitches here. Chain 1, turn, and just 10 stitches, no changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain 1, turn. Okay, now we have to make decrease again. So we'll decrease here, just like we did before. And you have 2 stitches left, so we'll make a decrease. So now if you count, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stitches here. Chain 1, turn. Next row, again have to make decreases. So decrease here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 2 stitches left. So we'll just do a decrease. And now instead of 8, you will have 6 stitches here. Chain 1, turn. Now again decrease. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. You have 2 stitches left. Decrease. Chain 1, turn, and last row is just 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's it. That's the back. So you have 4 So you have 4 stitches here. When we were making carrot, we just made the back and then we made the front and then we connected them together, because I actually liked that the edges were a little bit like texturized. I felt like it made the carrot look more realistic, but because I think an egg should have more smooth round form. If you look at my PDF pattern, what I proposed there is to go right now all the way around with single crochet stitches to give it sort of this nice, even, smooth appearance. Okay, so I think this is pretty good. So this is our back. If you remember, the front piece is done in exactly the same way, so you just have to stop a little bit early. You can rewind this video back to row 1 and you will see in the instructions I say there at which point you have to stop for the front piece. Or if you downloaded my free PDF crochet pattern, then you will see the instructions there as well. So let's make a front piece and I'll see you back here in a few minutes. Okay, so I finished the front. I don't go all the way around the front because I don't want to add the extra to the size of an egg, and it's not necessary. And now you're gonna take your back and your front and you're just gonna crochet them together. Remember, just like we did in the video with the crochet carrot, be mindful of which side you using to attach 2 pieces together, because I like seams to be on the inside, not here. You can play with it, you can see which side you like more. Maybe you actually do want your seams to be on the outside. You can attach it in any way you like. Okay, that's it. So let's cut the thread. I'm not gonna hide it yet, just in case if I attached it in the wrong way. That happens to me. So let's double check. No, I think I did it right. So yeah, I think this is pretty good. So the only thing you have to do is take a yarn needle and hide all the ends on the inside, trim it, and otherwise it is nice this way and that way. There is your pocket, so you can put your utensils and decorate your home for Easter. If you missed part 1, check it out, because in part 1 we were also making this crochet carrot, which I think is also super cute and nice. I hope you had fun. I hope you'll make lots of beautiful carrots and eggs for your table decor for this Easter, and your home will be very colorful, and I will see you very soon. Bye!